you doing, guys, today? I hope so you're keeping well, like always. Behind me is the abandoned hotel, someone calls the Ghost Hotel or Hotel Bedugul. It's abandoned for more than 20 years and it's very rich, dark story about this hotel. That will be in the different occasion vlog. Today I will go to Bedugul. This is the middle north part of Bali, and I will show you the Ulun Danu Beratan Temple, which is at the moment when you're gonna type Google in Google Bali, that will be the first picture into search engine. It's the super famous place, especially for local tourists from Indonesia. And on the way I will show you the few interesting spots. I hope so you will enjoy it like always. Sorry about my hairstyle, I wear the helmet. It's around 4-hour trip, 120 kilometers. So stay tuned and see you later, guys. Alright, just arrived to the Ulun Danu Beratan Temple. It's a lot of change. Parking is different, of course, obviously. Electronic gates. Ticket is including the coffee, tea. They changed ticket system into the packages, and when I was last time the ticket was cheaper. Now it's 60,000 the tourist one, 30,000 domestic Kita's price, which is more expensive. The price is including the coffee, tea, or more, like a juice or even lunch. I don't know, seems... yeah, that's how is this. I didn't want anything, they give me a bottle of water. Nice! Well, another thing is super quiet. If you ever been here, so many people wants to have a picture over here or something. I just see some local tourists here. Few bikes, 5 cars, as you saw. It's super quiet, and yeah, we'll show you guys around. This is the exploring Bali temples and Bali attractions during the new normal. 4 weeks after opening the Bali for the domestic tourists, but oh my god, I just entrance is super quiet. Check this out, guys. I forgot to mention it's around 4 p.m. and it's super quiet. What should I say? Oh my god, lifetime experience, as I can see this temple with no people at all. And I show you guys, I hope so you enjoy it. Not too many people on YouTube nowadays will show you guys that. That's how it is. So sad as the water is gone. Actually it's gone already for 1 year, but it's going more and more. That's meaning this climate is changing or something like that. So quiet and so beautiful and so cold, by the way. Oh my god, I got little bit cold today. I forgot to take a jacket, and I forgot as in the Bedugul is already, this place is 1200 meters, 1250 meters above the sea level actually. Quite high and quite cold, but it's okay. One interesting fact about this temple is that as this temple was on the 50,000 rupiah note, the old note still is usable, but they not produce this note anymore. The new note is including the important people on the notes, but previous notes was content, like a temple or the animals or something very unique specific to Indonesia. They change it, but that's how it is. If you ever have, maybe you have at home old 50,000 rupiah note, you can check it. Another interesting fact about this place is, as this place is super famous around the world, obviously, but also a lot of local people, including the Balinese people, really love to coming here, not only for praying but also for making pictures like this family behind me, and also into the other areas in the Bedugul. Close by here is the park, like a park, and also some views in the lake, overlooking to the lake and stuff like that. Yeah, that's how it is. It's a very nice place, very quiet. I've been here a few times and always was super busy. If you ever been here, you for sure remember that it was busy, and yeah, that's how it is. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Over there behind me, long time ago was the hotel. This is also kind of park, and this belongs to the temple. The temple itself is this two buildings, and also one temple, main temple, is where I didn't show you. That's my bad, but I will show you now. This is the two famous temples on the lake, and this one is the main temple where people are praying, and behind is the mosque. Here on the wall is very nice legend of this place, of this temple, and I will show you how it's look like, because it's quite long. I have to slide gently. I will start from the beginning, and this is how the people briefly believing of existing of this place. And I decided to make some time lapse. Some local domestic from different islands, Indonesia, tourists come, but it's okay. It's better than totally empty. And alright, that's, I think, will be enough about the temple itself. Now I will go back and I will show you a little bit about the area itself. I will have a little bit short wee ride around the mountain here, and obviously the new road. And I will show you the one very local touristic bazaar. No, that's the fruit veg market. Very local, but whenever you are tourist, will be super extremely expensive for you, but I will explain you later about that.
We've been waiting around for too long for something to show. Same old places and faces of people with nowhere to go. But we're not like them, we are better, both you and I know. Grab your car keys and jacket, 'cause honey, we're ready to go. Let's get in the car and you'll drive, we're leaving tonight. Away from these streets and the cold buzzing neon lights. Been keeping our heads above water, struggling and striving. We ain't gonna turn back this time, we'll just keep driving. You've got one hand on money, one hand on the steering wheel, worlds passing by outside. The flickering light of the white lines in the corner of my eye. I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. The windows are rolled down, the radio's on, and my eyes are open wide. I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. We got no money, but honey, we got nothing to hide. If worst comes to worst, I'll be Bonnie and you can be Clyde. We've got two hearts ready to fire and enough ammunition. A 62 hardtop DeVille with a 4-speed transmission. You've got one hand on money, one hand on the steering wheel, worlds passing by outside. The flickering light of the white lines in the corner of my eye. I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. The windows are rolled down, the radio's on, and my eyes are open wide. I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. The windows are rolled down, the radio's on, and my eyes are open wide. I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. Oh, I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side.
Rest. Okay.
Alright, so just arrived to the market. This is the fruit and veg market, and so many people, of course, trying to sell me something and show you something. I will show you guys a few shots around, and I will go home because it's getting to be super cold and super cloudy. I don't wanna get wet. I didn't took my jacket. These girls, ladies, wanna sell me something. I will show you guys around. I promise, yes, I will tell you why is the local touristic bazaar, because if you are a tourist, you can buy the like a 1 kilo of fruit and pay $100, but that sometimes happens. Normally is if you are negotiating properly, you will be fine. I will show you a few shots around and I will go.
Test, is okay. Okay? Try. Test. Looking, mister, looking.
Alright guys, I was feeling a little bit sorry to these people. I bought the full box of these lovely strawberries from this lady over here, and now it's time to go home. The price of the strawberries are very cheap. I just bought for 15k, it's $1. very good deal. Winnie will be happy. I'm not a big fan of strawberries, but she will like. Bye bye. Alright guys, that will be enough for today's vlog. Behind me is super nice lake. I'm making the time lapse. Like always, thank you so much for watching. Today's was a little bit different. I went into the middle north Bali. I show you a few spots. Let me know in the comments below what do you think, if you like it. Let me know if you prefer vlogs like this, sometimes something new, explore more Bali, or you prefer to see familiar areas like Kuta, Legian, Sanur, Seminia, Kubut, Uluwatu. Let me know, comment below, very important, so we will know what to make for you guys. And like always, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. New vlog every day, 7 p.m. Bali time. See you tomorrow guys, something new like always. See ya guys.